If you're feeling flat and low energy throughout the day, despite eating pretty well, sleeping 8 or more hours per night, and avoiding caffeine after 3 p.m., then these four diet and lifestyle changes could fix this issue for you and get you back to feeling full of energy. Number one, don't go too long between meals. Eat 3 to 5 meals per day, every 3 to 5 hours. If you eat two or less meals, you're going to be going a long time between meals. You might get hungry and low energy between them. If you eat 6 or more meals per day, you'll be eating so often that you have no time or energy to do anything else. Number two, sleep. Quantity is important, at least 7 hours. You might need 8 or 9 hours to feel well rested. But also important and often neglected is quality. I personally noticed a huge improvement in my sleep from reading my Kindle in bed instead of using my phone. Such a big improvement, in fact, that I can't go back. If I ever do slip up on a random day, it always reminds me how much better I do feel when I read in bed instead of using my phone. Three, alcohol. The less, the better. There is no healthy amount. Sorry. It messes up your sleep. It makes you more likely to make poor decisions, not only about what you eat. So if you are drinking regularly and you feel rubbish, try making it a little bit less regular. Alcohol-free beers are a good substitute, especially if you enjoy a beer in front of the TV after a long day. And number four, movement. This one really depends on your current level of activity. If you've got an active job and you're already exercising a lot, then focus on time and sleep and alcohol. But if you're fairly sedentary throughout the day, like most people who work on a computer, increasing your daily step count about 2 to 4,000 above your current daily average can help boost your energy levels. Doing this in the morning works especially well because you can get it done before you get snowed under with all the jobs for the day. Plus, you'll be set up for a productive day with a morning energy boost. Give these lifestyle tweaks a go for just 2 to 3 weeks and see just how much of a positive impact it has on your daily energy levels.